Hello, my name is Kyle Jarris, and I'm the Education Director at the Academy of Model Aeronautics. I'm glad you found this quick project, and I know you're going to have a great time and learn a lot. Without further ado, enjoy this quick project.
Hey everybody, it's me, Claire, from the Academy of Model Aeronautics, and today we're going to be building a recycled materials hovercraft. Everything you need for this project is right here, and you might even find it in your garbage can. I know that sounds a little bit weird, but that's what we're doing today. So one of the things you're going to need is a pop bottle cap. It's one of the kinds that comes on a fancy water bottle that you might buy for doing sports or something, but what's important is that it pops open and closed. So I think the brand Smart Water has this, and just look around at the store for that sort of thing, or in the trash. Either way. You're going to want a CD. I know this is kind of ancient technology now for a lot of us. I come from the era of videotapes, and videotapes would not work for this project, but a CD would. So this is just a regular CD, a blank CD that I happen to not need for anything. We're going to need a balloon. Just a regular balloon. And this is kind of fun. This is a chip clip, and we're going to use this to hold the balloon closed. The finished product looks like this. And as you can see, it's clipped right there to keep all the air inside. And we're going to be gluing our, whoa, the balloon's going all over the place. That's awesome. We're going to be hot gluing the cap onto the CD. So I'm going to set that aside. We're going to be using hot glue, like I just said, and I highly advise parental or guardian supervision for this, or just have the grown-up in the room apply the hot glue for you, because it's very, very hot and I don't want you to burn yourself. So you're going to take your cap and line it up over the hole in the CD, where this goes, right there. So I'm holding it down and I'm just putting glue down all the way around. And you want to get a good amount of glue on this. You want a tight seal. So once you get the glue on there, you want to make sure you have plenty of glue on it so that it is nice and sealed up, because otherwise the air will leak out and the hovercraft will not work. So we're going to set that aside. So you want to make sure that's dry, and while that's drying and getting nice and sealed on there, you're going to want to blow up your balloon. Fortunately, I've already blown up a balloon for today. It's right here. And see, I have it sealed with a chip clip. This just makes it a little bit easier to keep it closed if you don't have an extra person helping you make the project or anything. And it's just a nice way to make sure that your balloon stays inflated until you need it. So we're going to see if our hovercraft has, see, it's nice and solid now. Make sure the cap is closed for this part. So you're going to take your balloon and you're going to put it over the top of the lid, just like that. You're going to take the clip off, set it aside, and then it's ready to go. All right, let's give this a try. I'm going to do a countdown from 3, and we'll see how fast it goes. So 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, I hope you had a great time with that quick project. We have a ton more content available, so be sure to check out the website, amaflightschool.org and modelaircraft.org, both of which have a plethora of resources. Until next time, we'll see y'all later. Keep flying.